Yo, what's up? I'm in Kuta today and I really want to show you how it's looked the situation on Jalan Poppies 1, Jalan Poppies 2 and in general in Kuta end of July 2021. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so this is the entrance to the world famous Jalan Poppies 1 and we will see how is the look situation. Meanwhile, looks very quiet in the entrance. There are some people chilling at the front, as you see. And here we go. This is the another video from Garlic Lanes. I make already few. I'm trying to make one video every single month to show you guys how it looks the current situation in one of the most busiest street in Kuta. These streets, if you're not familiar, they are famous for this any kind of businesses, like a small shops, like a merchandise shops, clothes shops, fake clothes shops, massage parlors, tattoo shops, especially tattoo shops. So many businesses around, and usually these streets are full of life. Unfortunately, not today, not this time. As you see, here is the one of the local small hotels or the guest houses. Also so many guest houses around, and apartments also for rent, stuff like this. However, situation looks really quiet. Here is some massage ladies looking for little bit of luck of some customers around, and yeah, here is some divas warung, one guy. That's how it looks the situation on Jalan Gardi Lane, not Gardi, on Jalan Poppies 1. And here is some hotel at the front also, as you see. So many money changer statues, as you see also at the front. Unfortunately, oh, that's a beautiful Harley, by the way. There was some local people, owners probably just playing around here. The entrance to the famous Brazilian Aussie barbecue on the one side, and Havana, Bali. This road is also very small. I'm driving a car. This is one-way road system, so in the normal conditions it's super busy and it's super hard to drive around here. Right now it's kinda easy because, as you see, really not much is happening, not many people around, just the doggo sleeping here. So Purata Mansari, many local people living around also. Here is some construction. I hope so I can make it to pass over here. I'm back to the Legend Street. As you see, so many fancy cars and fancy people driving around. Seems like some people have a good life. And here we go. I come back and going into Jalan Paul, Jalan Poppies 2, which is over here just at the front of Sheraton Gate and Beach Walk Mall. There are some Gojek Grab drivers waiting for the customers. I mean, probably more likely for orders for some food takeaway. And here also supposed to be so many shops like this one. The lady is sitting. Looks pretty sad, because obviously normally in normal conditions is thousands of people walking here, not even hundreds, but literally thousands of people. But already 1.5 years, and it's not, seems like it's not bright future in the next couple of weeks or maybe months still. So it's pretty sad. Alright, here's only 200k for the Kuta hotel ready for Sergio. So many 3-star, 4-star hotels around this area, and many guest houses and everything. Just at the front is the Beach Walk Mall. They have some briefings here. Yeah, that's how I like the situation. On the left side, everywhere supposed to be the shops. Some of them they are actually open. Maybe not really likely they waiting for customers, but they do the air circulation of the clothes. I said already many times. Here, few weeks ago when I last time make a vlog on Jalan Poppies, was a lot of people, but now it's a little bit more quiet because of many people in the beach work. They have no job also. So basically right now, under the current situation, almost everybody have no job. So it's really pretty sad, and it's very hard for everyone, that's 100% sure. And it's just sad situation here, only dogs walking around right now. This is the one-way road again, so don't worry about driving. However, this road is a little bit bigger. The Poppies Lane 2 is bigger than Poppies Lane 1, which is a little bit less stressful right now to drive. However, right now to drive here is no stressful at all, but in the normal conditions, I remember I used to drive a different car, my old car, the big one, the Innova, and it was so hard actually. But now it's very peaceful life. Here some boutiques open actually, and some ladies, owners probably waiting for the potentially customers. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the peaceful life on Jalan Poppies 2. Desa Mexico, probably open only for takeaway, like most of the things here. And here's some guy, some fella, some warungs are open. Actually, nothing is changed here on the Poppies Lane 2 or 1 since last time or 2 times ago, like 2 months ago. However, I'm trying to document every single month, so for the later when the everything, let's say, come back to normal, or any kind of normal, I hope so, it will come back. I can compare the situation right now to the better times. Meanwhile, enjoy the Jalan Poppies 2. Most of the businesses unfortunately closed. So many tattoo shops, everybody has just lost the job. And this is the finish of the Garlic Lane 2. At the front is already the Sky Garden, Legian Street. The situation like this, basically. Just remember, this is one-way road system. If you're driving by car, don't go from the Legian Street here. And meanwhile, one more shot. How does it look like on the Legian Street if I'm already here? And very quiet. Legian Street also remains super quiet. Alright, so this is the area of Grand Ina and world famous Kuta Beach Gate actually. Well, the difference is between last time, as there are some pecalang sitting actually and checking as nobody will enter the beach. That's probably because the current limitation of activities, because this is not 100% lockdown, but the limitations of activities was extended until 25th of July. So at 26th of July will be no more limitations like lockdown, but will be something called new life era or a new era life, something like new normal, what was exactly last year after the closure of the beach and lockdowns. This is pretty the same thing. Will be like 4 levels of limitations. Bali will be level 3, which is mean as most of the things will be still closed. However, I think the beaches will be open, but will be like everything can be full, like restaurants can operate only on 25% of occupancy and some sort of stuff like this. So I will know more after 26, because nobody know exactly yet how it's gonna work, and everything can change. We still have a few days to wait. Meanwhile, this is the beach walk. Front gate, mall are still closed. I'm not sure if the malls will be open on 26 already or not. Maybe yes, but like I said, only 25% of occupancy. Probably everything regarding the this is the main parking gate remains. The traveling to between Java Island and Bali, probably nothing gonna change. Still, you will need to have a vaccine proof, at least one first dose if you're taking Astra or actually Sinovac, both of them, and PCR test, which is the test is very expensive. Basically, if you wanna go to Jakarta right now, the ticket is cheaper. Return ticket is cheaper than the one test, but you need to take a 2 tests, so the trip will cost you 3 millions return just for the testing and ticket. And so that's how it looked like. And meanwhile, this is this part of the Kuta. I will go into this gang right now. I wanna show you also how it looks live over here. This is like a additional to additional road to the Garlic Lane, to the Poppies Lane, sorry, not Garlic Lane, to the Poppies Lane. Forgot the name, however I will put this on the map, the name of the street. Here is the best Western hotel, and I don't really know why so many people actually here on the street. Seems is like some sort of local event here, activities. Really don't know what's going on, but seems quite busy. Basically only local people enjoying their time now, if they can enjoy. Some people said probably locals enjoying better time now without tourists, without you guys. I'm not sure if everything will share the same optimism. Probably everybody miss you guys. However, the only thing what people probably enjoy is no traffic or less traffic. That's only the thing. But everybody who I speak sometimes with the waiters or any my local friends who used to work in the local tourist industry, they definitely miss you. And also it's pretty sad in Bali right now. Alright, I'm at the front of the Pop Hotel on Jalan Kubu Bene, which is the area of the Jalan Benasari and Poppies Lanes around, as you see, and it's super deserted over here. I hope so you enjoyed my update of the Poppies Lanes today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya. Take care, guys.